So people, check out what going to Vermont for 3 days now, and straight, night and day. The place big and nasty. Everybody up is a turn Eskimo right now. Out there right now is 13 degrees. Out the nasty, slippery, and stay bad. The whole place just look like a mess. It no matter how you think you have on enough clothes, enough socks, enough boot. Look at my coworker, she a crawl because she don't want to drop. To the nasty place there. Be a slush. Going on my car, can't see nothing. There we go. Look on the mountain. You can't see it. Be an Eskimo person, neck wrap up, head wrap up, everything. Place nasty. 3 days back to back to back. And them say it I go on for the week, my love. So I don't know where we are going to do up here. So we need help up here, so please, me I beg you now. Somebody direct the snow somewhere else, like over Canada, over the sun. Because we're tired of it right here so in Vermont. We're tired of it. So the mountain there. And guess what? Everybody gone skiing, my love. Yes, everybody gone skiing. And we there so work. So but look at help, please. Who wants to swap? Where they Florida come here so. And me go down to Florida. Boy, no look good for suicide at all. Yep. And them saying, nah, stop until the week done. So can you imagine all tomorrow morning? But me I go show you tomorrow morning when I wake up. I'm gonna tell me what I think about it. Alright? So this is Vermont for you all. Look and share. Eskimo life right